Hi, I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com, and today I'm going to show you about the Sleep8 CPAP cleaning machine. We just got our shipment in, so I thought I would take it all the way from the box, show you the unboxing of the Sleep8, and show you everything about how it works, how it will clean your CPAP hose, your CPAP mask, and everything involved. So let's just start by opening the box and let's see what you get when you actually receive your Sleep8 machine. First of all, inside the box is another box. Oh, some instructions here. Let's see what we got. The quick start guide and a little message about better sleep and better health. Yes, it's very important to keep your CPAP machine clean. As you know, you've got water in that system, and mold and bacteria love to get into your CPAP machine. Well, the Sleep8 is a portable type of device, and you get actually a nice bag. You get the actual Sleep8 unit. Here it is. This is the Sleep8 CPAP cleaning machine here. And of course you get your charging cable and your charger. So I'm just going to move the box aside here. This is everything that you get with the Sleep8. That's everything that you need to be able to clean your CPAP mask, your CPAP tubing, your water reservoir as well. And so let's see here. First thing you're going to want to do when you get your Sleep8 is go ahead and plug in the charging cable. And it's simple. It's like any typical charging cable that you might get. And in order to charge up the Sleep8, you would just connect the other end right here into the side of the machine, like so. And just go ahead and plug it in, let it charge up. Once it's charged up, you can use it. But one thing that's really unique about the Sleep8 is that you actually can use it while it's charging or after it's completely charged. And there's no way you can overcharge this unit. So that's really great. I like that a lot about the machine. So let's just say it's already charged up. And let me show you really how you would go about cleaning your CPAP mask and hose. So you probably have a CPAP machine, something like this one, with a CPAP hose, CPAP mask, and really you can clean any mask. It doesn't have to be this particular one. This is the ResMed N20 mask right here. But you would just disconnect your hose from your CPAP machine, leave it connected to the mask, and also go ahead and grab your water reservoir. If there is water in the water reservoir, you're going to want to empty that water out. In this case, there's no water in this one, so we're going to clean it. So these are the parts that we want to clean. So let me just set that right here, and then open this bag up, and check out this bag. Now, I want to tell you, since you can't really feel and touch on the video, it's a very durable material that I sense here. And there's a little outlet valve. In a minute, we're going to be connecting the Sleep8 to this nozzle on the bag. But for starters, we need to connect the CPAP tubing to the bag. So what we do is just unzip it here, let it open up, and then inside the bag, let's see, we have the other end of this nozzle. My hand is on it now, so I'm just going to pull that out and literally connect the CPAP tube. This is the part that was connected to the CPAP machine just moments ago. I'm connecting that to the inside of the bag. Now I'm pushing that into the bag, and then I can go ahead and tuck the CPAP mask and the entire CPAP tube into the bag. Very simple. And then next, I'm going to take my water chamber. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and take the lid off of it. Probably not necessary to do all of that, but I'm going to put these parts into the bag as well. So basically everything that we're putting in the bag right now is going to be exposed to the ozone, which will kill more than 99% of the bacteria or mold that might be present. So make sure you got the bag zipped up all the way, which we do here. And then next, looking for that nozzle, notice that on the outside of the bag there is a blue dot on top of this, and then you want to connect the Sleep8, and notice that the Sleep8 has a little blue dot as well on the top. So you would just connect the Sleep8 to the bag like so, and this is where it gets really simple. This machine simply has one button on it. You just press this one button right here, and you let the clock count down, and really it's actually in operation right now. The thing is so quiet, it is literally 18 times more quiet than the SoClean machine is. As you know, the SoClean can make a little bit of noise. This one, I can hear it. I can hear a fan oscillating, but I really can't hear it much. It's super quiet. And as you notice, it's very small too, so it's great for traveling. And so what's gonna happen now is we walk away. You notice the bag sort of inflated there, and it's actually the ozone floating around inside of the bag, killing mold and bacteria that's gonna be present in your CPAP mask. So at this point, we just wait on the machine to do its thing. Eventually, it's gonna give you 5 short beeps to let you know that it's finished. But it's good to wait about 1 hour after the machine has finished operating to just kind of let all of that ozone dissipate. And then after the hour, you could just open the bag, connect your CPAP mask and tubing back up, put the water reservoir back in there, and you're good to go. And until the next day, it's recommended to clean your CPAP machine every single day with the Sleep8. And also I want to tell you something about the Sleep8. It's one of only 2 CPAP cleaning machines in the US that was tested in the US. So many of these CPAP cleaning machines are tested outside of the US where standards are not as high, but standards are super high in the US. Sleep8 is one of only 2 that has been able to pass all of the standards of a CPAP cleaning machine. It uses so much more ozone to clean than some of the other machines. Plus, it doesn't do it just for like 7 minutes or so. It's actually generating the ozone throughout the entire period that it's cleaning, which means there's more ozone, which means it's gonna clean better. So I really, really like the Sleep8. I love the size of it, super easy to travel with. I love the quietness of it. And then I just love the durability of it. It has an 18-month warranty on it. So if you're interested in it, just click on this card right here above and you can buy it from us. You probably can even get a discount. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a wonderful night. Take care. Bye-bye.